Audio Jungle.
The CX-90 is a new nameplate for the Mazda brand that replaces the CX-9 for the 2024 model year. Mazda's soon-to-be discontinued CX-9 crossover has long been a favorite among our staff, but the larger and more premium 2024 CX-90 three-row SUV is poised to move the company's biggest SUV further up the luxury mountain. The CX-90 has debuted with a new turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six engine, making either 280 or 340 horsepower, as well as a plug-in hybrid powertrain option. Its styling is handsome, and the CX-90's cabin design borrows cues from the smaller CX-50 and MX-30 SUVs. The all-new architecture that the CX-90 is built on is expected to also spawn a two-row SUV named CX-70, which should go on sale shortly after the CX-90. The EPA has rated the CX-90 for up to 24 miles per gallon city and 28 mpg highway. To accompany its upscale exterior, Mazda has endowed the CX-90 with a stylish cabin design that features room for up to 8 passengers. Opt for the second-row captain's chairs and the total seating drops to 7. The fabric dashboard upholstery in the high-end models looks striking, and the seats in those trims are also wrapped in soft Nappa leather. Base select trims are less plush but no less handsomely styled. Although leather is standard starting on the preferred trim, the more upscale and buttery-looking Nappa leather upholstery is reserved for premium plus trims. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.